Hi viewers, welcome to Pebbles. Today I am going to show you how to make a silk thread Jhumka earring easily. Let's start. Take a plastic Jhumka base. I have wrapped blue color fully, and for that I have taken 25 strands of thread. Now take a Jhumka base, apply glue at the bottom tip around the Jhumka like this. After applying, paste white color stone chain around the Jhumka. After pasting, cut the extra chain and paste it. Now again apply glue around the Jhumka. Again paste white color stone chain. And now after pasting, cut the extra chain and paste it. Now let it dry for some more minutes. After that, take a small size round anti-kundans. At the top of stone chain we have pasted, apply glue and paste one by one like this around the Jhumka. The last one. And now after pasting, at the top again apply glue like this, 2 dot, and paste only 2 stones on 2 sides, opposite to opposite like this. And now in between the anti-kundans we have pasted. At the center upper part, apply glue and paste this shaped kundan. At the top again turn, on the another side apply glue and paste the same kundan. Now after pasting, take a head cap, press it slightly, apply glue and paste this at the top of Jhumka. And after it got fully dried, take a head pin, insert medium size golden ball, cut the extra pin and make a loop at the top. After making a loop, take a eye pin, open a bottom part and insert a head pin, golden ball, and now insert golden ball again and Jhumka again. This is a stone cap and again a golden ball. Now cut the extra pin. At the top make a loop. That's it, a Jhumka is ready now. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe Pebbles.